Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go to Windows settings. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update. Still not working, then open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, hit pause over here. Now this may take some time, and once paused, click on resume updates. So pause it and then click on resume updates and then you can try to install the update. Now still not working, then open use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391. So KB5079391, click on it, click on search. Now check your version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. So for me the version is Windows version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5079391, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. So click on it, install it manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see advanced option, click on advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run the exe file. Run the exe file and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.